Hi there, it's the 6th of August. I haven't done a video clip for some time really, just different things going on. Today what I'm going to talk about is using my daily preparation for trading. I think all traders should have a daily preparation plan, and I'm going to go over it with you now very briefly. It's, the whole purpose of a preparation plan really is to establish good habits. So one of the first things I like to do is get an idea of the market. So I think about how it went yesterday. I think about the levels of the market yesterday, the high, the low, and the close, also the opening. And these are very important, and you need to record those because it lets you know if the market's an outside day, if the market's going to be trending up more aggressively higher or aggressively lower, what's happened overnight, also what's happened, say, in the Asian market. Now, fundamental level, I like to have a look at Danske Bank's market reports. That gives me a very good overview as to what some institutions are looking at and what they consider to be market movers. It's quite comprehensive, I find, in its view, and it just gives a daily report, mainly from a Nordic or Scandinavian point of view. Okay? One of the good things about the Danske reports are that they don't just do daily reports, they also give sort of like a market focus, sort of a wrap up, like what's happening over the holiday period, or FX, corporate bond side, government bond side, all different types of views in which to consider. From there, I like to go on the technical side. Bar chart for that just gives me a general overview as to what the product is doing and getting the levels. From there, what I like to do is go mainly to my trading preparation sheet. It's a sheet which I use when I was the prop trading floor, although the floor I had there is their own particular style of trading preparation sheet. This is one I adapted to myself, for myself. And on it, I have essentially what my trading philosophy is, which is to trade what I see. I trade on the probabilities of what I feel might happen. There's no certainties. And then, more importantly, I accept the risk. This steers me as to the way in which I'm looking at doing it, which is sniper trading, hopefully waiting for the opportunity. I put it up there to remind me again. Something else I put on is how awake I am. When I was on the trading floor, I happened to notice sometimes that maybe I got up very early in the morning, I'd done the daily commute, I was pretty tired, and I'd be doing trades, not realising I was tired, or maybe I had a heavy night the night before. So when I'm trading, I'm not really in tune with the market. So just having how awake am I is bringing to my consciousness, what is my condition, what state am I in? And then I grade it. And if I'm grading it, say 5 or 6, then maybe I should just take myself a coffee break. If I'm sort of 7 to 10, then that's pretty good. And also remind myself what it is I really need to do and have, which is patience, to read the news. That news is obviously that news would be Danske Bank, anything else I can see. Notes for the day. Now on the notes of the day is where I write down the main event. So something like today, for example, I've written down some US-China trade talk woes, how China has devalued its currency, also the German economic slowdown. Then what I do is I fill in the economic announcements for the day, the significant ones really, the ones which are going to be not really too interested in Mexico, Brazil, for example, Argentina. It's mainly the European level, China, the Asia session, and the US. They're the main ones which I write down. And even because I trade the DAX, it's predominantly what's happening in the German market or Euro area. I'm not the Euro countries, so if it's something like Australia, I use trading economics for that. Yeah, trading economics. So now I put the highs and lows. I used to trade the butterfly spread on the bum bubble shats, and also butterfly spreads on oils, and that's the hangover from those days. To let me know what the fly is. But now I just use the high and lows of the DAX. Yeah. So at the end of the day, I will put my P&L, my gross P&L, my round trips, and also my net P&L. With the gross P&L, it's the P&L which I had before I've taken away commissions, yeah, of the round trips. That is because obviously the commissions can eat in. For example, back in 2008, actually when I first traded live on the oil markets, I had my P&L when oil crashed from 145 down to 45, literally within a few days. My gross P&L was $1. Sorry, wrong. $1 lot, $10. But my round trips for the month actually was something like 300, 400. So it worked out that my commissions was around 3,000. So that was my net P&L. Okay, so you've got to factor in what your commissions are. I also rate my performance on the day, and also whether or not I took mind of the risk-reward ratio, and whether I stuck to my trading plan. See if it's a regular thing. I like putting what my P&L level was during the day. What was the highest amount I could have had during the day? What was the lowest amount I had during the day? What was the amount I ended up to? And whether or not I stuck with my stops, my stop losses. I like to have CNBC running in the background as a Squawk. I used to have Squawk itself, but at £250 a month, it was a little bit of a luxury. And sometimes it was only going off the economic announcements, which I could see for free anyway. Yeah. So yeah, there you go. So once I've got all that, especially with this trading sheet, it's bringing to my mind what I need to